Hello everyone, my name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today I have received a new delivery from Manila. It came along with Mr. Fresh Helmet Fresheners. It has two scents, the powder and the shower scents, but the main focus of this vlog is going to be Mr. Cool. So we don't have a car, but this can still be used in our bedrooms. So this is a spa in your car, comes with the scent Pine Marine. So this is how it looks like. What I did is I made a knot here so that I can just hang it near a window. The cap is actually wooden, so if you remove the plastic covering here or the lid, the scent will just flow from the hole in this area here. Just make sure if you want to use this product, remove the plastic lid and then replace the wooden cap and hang it on your bedroom or inside your car. It really smells good. The scent is really refreshing and it's relaxing. It really feels like you're in a spa. It's really refreshing. If you want to purchase Mr. Cool, they actually have a Facebook page. I will share the price and the link to their Facebook page in the description box. I'm certain that this will last a long time because of course you won't be pouring it anywhere. You will just be enjoying the scent. So once again, this is Mr. Cool Spa in your car, and it comes in the scent Pine Marine. They have 3 available scents in the market. First is the Pine Marine, second is Eucalyptus Marine, and the third is the Citrus Tea. So you'd feel the lush breeze from Baguio and Tagaytay when you smell this Pine Marine scent. The other scents are Eucalyptus Marine, which gives you an icy feeling of mint inside your car, and Citrus Tea, and it is their sweetest scent in the market. So you won't have to worry about those long drives because you will be relaxed by the scent in your car, and that is once again Spa in Your Car by Mr. Cool. There's a proper way on utilizing this Mr. Cool bottle. So I said a while ago that you need to remove the plastic lid, replace the wooden cap, right? You also need to flip the bottle for 1 second until the oil spreads to the wood. You can hang this on your rear view mirror, but also if you don't have a car, you can really place this near your air conditioner or near your fans, and it really smells good and it's really relaxing. And my sister actually noticed that the scent is suitable for all the areas of your home, so you can place this in your dining room, in your living room, anywhere. Once again, if you want to stay relaxed and refreshed inside the house or inside your car, Mr. Cool is the best freshener for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you leave a like and ask questions in the comment section, and if you want to show your support to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button from red. It will turn gray once you've successfully subscribed, and tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for being with me today, guys. Thank you so much for showing your support. See you in my next vlog. Bye!